Good morning, student. Today we continue the remaining topics of our chapter number 4. As I informed you earlier that the types of plans are deleted portion according to the CBSE norms for this year only, but you have to be take care of and take a brief reading of this topic for your knowledge. So there are next topic is about types of plan. There are two type of plan, that is standing and single used. Standing plans are those plans which are uses repeatedly. That means when you make some plan and it can be repeated without any modification. And single use plan are those plan which we can use only one time. And for example, if we are planning for traveling to going to a hill station, and when next time we are going, we are doing the new kind of planning for the next trip. For example, if we are taking an example of a mathematic rule, whatever the maths rule is taught is learned by your elder sister or brother, you also go through the same method. So that's why it is a standing plan. But on the other hand, single use plan, that you have make some budget for your traveling, and next time when you plan, then you observe that in comparison the present budget is more than the previous one due to some inflation and due to some expensive goods. So this kind of plan is that is our single use plan. So there are total 8 plans are there. The first 2 plan, that is objective and strategy. These are neither single और नॉट स्टैंडिंग. ना तो ये सिंगल है और ना ही ये स्टैंडिंग प्लान है. और जो हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रहते हैं, दैट इज फॉर द शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए होते हैं, जो शॉर्ट टाइम में हमें अचीव करने होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. एंड स्ट्रेटजी रिलेटेड टू द लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, विद इन 10 years, within in upcoming decade, my turnover must become 2 crore to 5 crore. So this is a long term duration plan, that is my strategy. And in the next quarter my sale increase by 20%. This is a short term and it is easy to achieve the target, so that's why it is an objective of a company. Now come to the standing plan. Standing plan are those plan which can be used again and again. Only we have to make one time, that is policy. कोई भी policy बना दी, जैसे men retire at the age of 60 and women retire at the age of 58. So these are the policy of every organization. Rule that you have to be don't use the mobile phone during your working hours. So that is a rule, and एक बार ये बन गया, then we have to be follow. And every year the procedure, the sequentials of chronological order of doing the task is the same. And the next one is method of doing the task. For example, to solving any numerical of a maths, we use the same method. Okay, so it refers to the plan which determine how different activities of the procedures will be completed. And procedure means to plan determines the sequence of any. That means procedures we have to follow the sequence. And method is related to the different activities or the procedure will be completed. मतलब way, prescribed way to doing the task. इसमें जो हमारा कीवर्ड रहेगा according to your NCERT, that is prescribed way is the method, and sequential or chronological order, that is a procedure. Rule is the guidelines that have to follow, special guidelines है. And policy is related to the general statement which is decided for the guidance. This is the ये है guidelines. Okay, these are the guidelines. So these are the इसको हम जो बोलेंगे जनरल स्टेटमेंट, जो इसका की वर्ड रहेगा, these are the जनरल स्टेटमेंट और guidelines. And rules are what to do, what not to do. Okay, so these are the key words of these plans. So in this way we discuss the first 6 plan: objective, strategy, policy, rule, procedure and method. Now come to the next topic, that is of single use plan. Next category is single used. Single use plan, only 2 plans are there which are single use. The first one is program, another one is budget. Keywords are numeric statement digits, numeric terms are there, that means we are in terms of income and expenditure. That means they are only in rupees. जैसे 2 करोड़ income है, 3 करोड़ है, and whatever the outcomes, what is deficit, what is surplus, इस चीज़ को जो है find out करना, that is called budget. So it refers to the quantitative expression of a plan of the action. The next is program. Program refers to that cover or the relatively large organization activity and specifies the main subject, okay, and their order and timing and department responsible for the each step. These are under the category of complete layout जो रहेगा, that is under the category of program. These are single use. When they are used at once, then we have to be renew our program or budget, or we have to be study it again. So this is the deleted portion. This will not ask in your examination, but sometimes in the viva you have to be have a keen knowledge of this topic. Okay, read the case studies of this chapter from APC of Alka Dhawan and ask me when you have any problem through your WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye.